Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Nose IT N37 series. You can see here, which I ordered from Banggood. So previously I was using a night eye LED for my Honda Jazz, but to be frank, the night eye is good, but the slow beam is very good, but when it comes to high beam it's not so good. So just looking for some upgrade online. So I saw many videos in Philippines, like they are using this new N37. So this has DC 9 volt 32 6500 Kelvin and N37 is a series. So basically this is 120 watt pair, means 60 watt each bulb, and 11,000 lumens per bulb. So basically 22,000 lumens pair. So I contacted many dealer in Delhi, Bangalore, but none of them say, like they said it can't be, we cannot get it from China. So I was just going through Banggood website and I found that they are delivering this to India. So I ordered some 10 days back, and within 10 days it is delivered to Bangalore. So I'm very excited. Let's see what is inside the box. So okay, you can see here it is H4, because Honda Jazz is H4 socket. So we have these zip ties, total 4. And then we have like gloves, so that you can don't get your hands dirty. Then you have our regular manual. So let's come to the bulbs. So if I take out, okay, this is how the H4 looks. Okay, man, this is very heavy. This is very heavy. So I think if you hear, it's making a metal sound, and this is what you call a CAN decoder or error eraser, so that this doesn't flicker. So this is also made up of some metal. Let's see what the specification says. So yeah, this is specifications. These are the specifications. Okay. Oh, it's made up of automotive grade chips and aviation aluminum. Oh, so basically this is completely made of aluminum. Completely made of aluminum. Man, this is very heavy. I can feel the weight. So basically everything is aluminum, so the weight is very heavy. So previous my night eye is completely made up of night eye. So the front 2 LEDs for the low beam and the back 2 LEDs are for high beam. So we have symmetric. So you see here 2 on each side. So the front 2 are for the low beams, the back 2 are for the high beams. So the installation is very simple. You have to take this clip out, then you have to install it in the headlamp, then you have to plug this back end, and also this has a 360 rotation adjustment. So this will rotate, but I cannot do it in one hand. But compared to night eye, this has like ultimate next level quality. I can feel the weight, and this is the blade, if you can see, and you can hear the sound. So it's aluminum. Even the holder is also aluminum, so none of the things are plastic here. I guess we have the screws to here. Yeah, you can see the screws. So that is also like, so basically none of the parts are plastic. And here you can see the copper for the proper heat dissipation. So I can't wait to put them in my Honda Jazz, and I will come back to you guys in the next video. So let me know if you have any doubts. So this basically none of the people have got it in India, so I ordered it personally because I am not satisfied with night eye. Okay, just so this is the H4 holder. So if somebody is not aware, so this is H4. So one more bulb is the same, so one for left and one more on the right side. So this has a basically a 2-year warranty. And we can see nice branding of no sight. This is not LED, so this is a no sight bulb. Yeah, here you can see here no sight. Okay, see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.